My name is Asa High. I'm the Director of Golf Course and Grounds here at Frederica Golf Club on St. Simons Island. I've been in the golf course industry for about 20 years and have made stops in Augusta, Georgia, Ocala, Florida, and I've been here at Frederica for 5 years. We have about a 30-man total team that oversees the golf course, from golf course maintenance and conditioning, as well as a team that oversees the grounds and horticulture around the club. We have a Toro MDX Workman that we purchased off a lease a few years ago. The conventional lead-acid batteries finally gave out on them, and we partnered with Trojan Battery to try out the Trojan AES batteries. More of a maintenance-free solution for us while giving us better performance than what we had seen out of flood lead-acid batteries that were originally in the cart. It's loaded up with 300 to 400 pounds of dirt every morning, and it's a workhorse. We can load it down, we can get it across the golf course quietly, and we can get all our work done and not have to bring it back and throw it on charge in the middle of the day. It's been a phenomenal tool for us. Great thing about Trojan Battery's new technologies is the opportunity charges. So when someone comes in for lunch, the worst thing you could do for a conventional lead-acid battery would be to go plug it in, charge it for a few minutes while you're at lunch. And now with the new technology, you can have that opportunity charging. So when employees come in to take a break, or if they're in for lunch, or they're doing a quick mowing task, they can throw that vehicle on the charger, and as soon as they're done with that, they can unplug it and get back to work. They're saying we might get up to 3 times the life cycle of a standard AGM. So that durability and the warranty with Trojan, that they stand behind their batteries, is just going to be another phenomenal resource to help us do our jobs at the highest level.